So good morning, viewers. Today we are laying down the drips, and as you can see, we have these sticks in place. That is where we will tie up our drips from that end to that end. This is the side that we will have the end cap. Here is our drip tape, and now it is time to throw it over the beds. Let me show you how we are tying up the end cap. Where we will fix the drip, because we have to fix with the end cap. Normally tie it like this. This is end cap. You have to make it tight, like that. So we will fix the drip here. So we have started laying down the drip tape, and we have already done several lines, but it's very important to note few things. One of them being, when you're choosing drip tape, you have to choose quality, the size, and also how far apart are the extruders from here to this point. And this one is determined by the nature of the plant that you are intended to plant in your farm. Like in our case here, it is 30 centimeter apart, and it is we are normally advised that to ensure that there is enough spacing between the plant in this lane and this one and this one here. You have to ensure that the extruders are in a form of diagonal. Like you can see, this one is here and the other one is here. There is something like a diagonal. It's not a straight lane, it is a diagonal. So you have this blue lane here that we are supposed to face upward, because if you fail to make them look like this one and maybe put them down, a lot of silt soil will settle on these extruders and it will block them, so there is no water that will be coming out. But when it is like this, the soil will always settle at the lower side of the drip, and it will serve you for quite a longer time. So you have to be guided by this blue lane here. That is the main purpose of those lane also. When you are cutting the drip, you must also be careful, because so that it can enter here, you can manage to fix it here. You're supposed to, there is a specific way you're supposed to cut it. For instance, you're not supposed to do like this several times. If you do that, it will be rough at the end, and then once you fix it there, it won't it will be difficult for you to fix. So this is how you normally do it. You just do it once like this, like that, and the end is smooth and it can be fixed so easily. You have to ensure it has creaked, and this is how you are supposed to know whether you have fixed the end cap as it's supposed to be. So somebody can pull for you this drip tape, or for instance, assume you are on, you can do like this. You can just do like this, like that, and you work on it, because sometimes you might find yourself alone and you need to work. Just do like that, and then you pull this green knob here until it creaks like that, and then you let it go. Go to the next one, you do the same like that, and then you fix your end cap here. Pull the knob, click, and you let it go.